keyboard, switches, keycaps. Let's go and put together a keyboard. All right, so now we have all of the switches in. Let's go ahead and install the keycaps. There we are, it's all built. All right, thanks for watching, that's it. Just kidding, I'm gonna do a sound test. And there you go. Let me know what you guys think of the build, and here's just a quick little shot of it with the RGB on. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, I appreciate it. And let me know if you guys like it or not. I feel like there's a couple things we could change on it, but let me know how we did. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.